Today's tongue twister is going to help you improve your pronunciation of both the V sound and the B sound. Betty loves the blue velvet vest best. Betty loves the blue velvet vest best. Betty loves the blue velvet vest best. Now, this tongue twister is especially useful to any viewers whose first language is Chinese, as the V sound doesn't exist in Chinese. But basically, the V sound uses the same mouth position as the F sound, except with F, the sound is produced by the air coming out at the lips, and the V sound is produced in the throat. What I don't like to hear is people just replacing the V sound with a B sound because you think they sound similar. They don't, so stop it! Try this tongue twister for yourself and let me know in the comments below how difficult you think it is.